It's a ethical hacking disclaimer. This video serves educational purpose only. It does not promote illegal activities. Viewers are responsible for any misuse of information related to ethical hacking, cybersecurity awareness. Hello guys, welcome back to Blackbird YouTube channel. I will teach you today SQL map with practical. First we will cover the theory and then we will solve the try hack me lab of this. Then start. Today we are diving deep into the one of the most powerful open source tools for penetration testing, SQL Map. If you are serious about web application security, understanding SQL Map is non-negotiable. We will cover everything from basic uses to advanced exploitation technique. Why in the of this lab, you will able to automate SQL injection detection, extract databases, and even gain OS access. Let's get started. SQL Map is not just a scanner, it's full exploitation framework. You give it a suspicious URL and it will detect if that parameter is vulnerable to SQL injection. Then it can automatically extract database name, tables, columns, and data. But it does not stop there. It can also read and write files on the server, execute commands, and even give you a shell. All of this happens through carefully crafted payload tweaked for the specific database behind the scenes. SQL Map is written in Python, so it runs on Windows, Linux, and macOS. The best way is to clone the official GitHub repository that gives you the latest feature and payloads. No installation script needed. You just run SQL map.py with Python 3. Let's verify it works with double hyphen version, and remember, only use SQL map on system you own or have explicit permission to test. Unauthorized scanning is illegal. The most basic usage is -u with a URL that has a parameter like id equal 1, but in the real test you often have complex post request cookie and headers. That's where -r shines. You save the full HTTP request from Worksuite or browser DevTools into a test file and SQL map replay it exactly. You can also test hundreds of URLs at once using -m and list file. This makes SQL Map perfect for automated scanning during a penetration testing. By default, SQL Map is quiet. It shows only essential info, but when you are debugging or learning, increasing verbosity -b3, so each payload sent -b5, so the full HTTP request and response. For long enumeration tasks, Barber's level 1 or 2 is enough. Too much text will slow you down, but if you something fails, crank it up to see exactly what's happening on the wire. I recommend starting with version -v2 for good balance. Many web apps require authentication or track season with cookies. Use double hyphen cookies to pass a valid season. For example, double hyphen cookie equal PHP SSID equal ABC123. Sometimes the default user agent looks like a bot. You can change it with double hyphen user hyphen agent or use double hyphen random hyphen agent to pick a real browser each request. If the app check the referrer header, you can set it the double hyphen referrer. For complex header, double hyphen headers accept multi-line string. Properly mimicking a real browser increase your chance of bypassing nav WAFs and avoid logging as a scanner. Get parameter are easy, but what about post? Use double hyphen data with the row post string like double hyphen data equal user equal admin ampersand pass equal 123. SQL map will automatically test those parameters if the app uses JSON or a custom delimiter like semicolons instead of ampersands. Use double hyphen param hyphen del to tell SQL map how to split. You can even force the HTTP method the with double hyphen method put if endpoint expect it. This flexibility makes SQL Map useful for REST API and modern web apps, not just old school get form. By default, SQL Map runs at level 1 and risk 1. That means it only tests simple. Safe payload increase double hyphen level 1 to test more headers like user agent referrer as a injection point. Level 5 test everything including heavy payloads. Double hyphen risk adds potential destructive tests. For example, or 1 equal 1 update that could modify data. Risk 3 uses heavy time based or injection that might crash the server. In production, stick to risk 1 unless you have permission for destructive test. Not all the injections are visual. Some apps return the same page for true and false, but you can infer the result by subtle difference. That's Boolean blinds. SQL Map will try payload like colon and 1 equal 1 and compare the response. Even more powerful is time payload injection. The payload causes the database to wait for a second. For example, and if bracket 1 equal 1 comma sleeve bracket 5 comma 0 bracket close and double hyphen. If the response is delayed by 5 seconds, SQL map knows the condition is true. This works even when page is completely identical for true and false. SQL map automates all this guessing for you. Once SQL map confirms an injection, enumeration is straightforward. "-v grabs the database version and OS information. "-current-db tells you which database you are connected to, often the application's own database. "-current user show the database user, which is critical because if it's a DBA admin privilege, you can do almost anything. These commands are fast and safe, so they are usually the first step after detection. "-dbs list all database the user can see. You you then pick one with "-d, for example "-d customer", "-tables will show tables inside the database. This is perfect for exploration. SQL Map will even exclude system database automatically. If you add "exclude "sysdbs" after you see a promising table like users, you can proceed to column and data. Decision files -s catch all this, so you don't re-enumerate if you run the same command again. Dumping is where you get actual data. "-dump without any "-d or "-t" will dump everything. That can be huge. Better to specify "-d app", "-t users", "-dump". You can limit row with "-start" and "-stop, or filter with "-where like "-where equal comma username like admin". SQL map automatically detect columns and present data in a clean tables. For huge tables, it batches request and resume from where it left off. The output is saved to CSV file in your output directory. Never dump more than you need in a live test to avoid network noise. With enough privilege, you can read any file the database user can access. Double hyphen file hyphen read equal slash etc slash password will download and save it locally. Writing is even more powerful. Double hyphen file hyphen write equal dot slash cell dot php double hyphen file hyphen dest equal slash var slash www slash html slash cell dot php. Upload a web cell. This require file privilege on MySQL or similar on the other DBMS. SQL map will automatically try to find a writable directory. This is how many penetesters gain a foothold on the web server. Always clean up after yourself. Use double hyphen cleanup to remove upload files and temporary tables. When SQL map find an out of bound or union waste injection, it can sometimes give you an actual operating system cell. Double hyphen OS hyphen cell attempt to upload a tiny stager that gives you a PSUDO cell. You type command and see output behind the scene. SQL map use technique like XP colon XP colon CMD cell on MS SQL or into out file with UDF on MySQL. If database user is DBA, if often it often succeed. Double hyphen OS hyphen CMD runs a single command without opening an interactive cell for privilege escalation. SQL map has double hyphen priv hyphen esc to try common window or Linux vector. WAF and IDS signature block classic payload like or 1 equal 1 double hyphen temper script rewrite your payload to avoid detection. Space to comment replace space with slash slash between changes or 1 equal 1 to or 1 between 2 and 0 always false but logically same. You chain multiple temper equal between random case character encoding. SQL map has over 80 built-in temper for custom needs. You can write your own Python script. Temper are the secret weapon for bypassing most WF. Combine the double hyphen random hyphen agent and double hyphen proxy for even better stealth. If you are testing large database, speed matters. Hyphen O turn on all optimization like keeping connection live and predicting output. Double hyphen threads set concurrent request, but be careful. High speed, high thread counts can crash the target. 5 to 10 is safe. Double hyphen null hyphen connection only compares page length, not the full body. That's much faster. Double hyphen keep hyphen alive. Reuse reuse TCP connection on the fast LAN. These options can speed up enumeration by 10x. Always test with a single thread first, then increase if the server stays responsive. Enumeration can take hours if interrupted. Without a season file. You start from zero. -s season.sqlite saves everything. Detected injection point, already fetched table, column names, even partially dumped data. Next time you run the same command, SQL map load the season and resume where it left off. This is life-saving for large assessment. You can also use double hyphen plus hyphen season to clear it and start fresh. Season file is portable. You can move it into you can move it to another machine. Trying long command lines is error prone. Save your option in a config file using double hyphen save. Later, load with hyphen C. The file uses INI format. For beginners, double hyphen wizard asks interactive question, target URL, method, detection level, and build the commands for you. It's a great way to learn which option matter without memorizing them all. I have to stress this. SQL Map is a weapon. Using it against a website you don't own is a crime in most countries. Computer Fraud and Abuse Act in the US, similar law elsewhere, always get written permission before testing. Even with permission, limit destructive options like double hyphen risk equal 3 or double hyphen drop hyphen set hyphen cookies because they can alter data. Use double hyphen safe hyphen URL to avoid rate limiting and DOS attack. After you finish, run double hyphen cleanup to remove any stored procedure or files SQL map left behind. Be a professional, disclose responsibly. Today we covered SQL Maps core, target specification, request tuning, detection level, enumeration, file access, OS shell, tempers script, and performance. Your task now: set up a deliver level vulnerable VM like OWASP Webcode or DBWA. Try scanning with double hyphen level equal 1, then double hyphen level equal 3. Dump the user table, attempt double hyphen OS hyphen cell. If the database user is root, use double hyphen temper equal between to see how it change payloads. Learn by doing, but always in your own lab. Next season, we will combine SQL map with Burpsuit for advanced automation. Okay, okay, we will trying to solve the lab of SQL map of which is TryHackMe, and we know what is SQL map already. I had told you. We will check it and using SQL map. Here you can your revision is this. For checking the version, double hyphen version, show programs version number and exit, hyphen v verbose, and hyphen u for target URL, hyphen g Google Doc, process Google Docs result as a target URL, and hyphen dbms equal to dbms, hyphen p parameter, level risk, hyphen a retrieve everything, hyphen v retrieve dbms banner, double hyphen current user retrieve dbms current user, double hyphen current db retrieve dbms current database. Okay, we will know all about this because I had complete everything already. So we have to go. Its answer is hyphen u, and its is hyphen data. Which flag would you use to add data to post request? And there are two There are two parameter username and password. How would you tell SQL map to use the username parameter for the attack? We will its answer is -p username. uh, and which flag could you see to show the advanced help menu? Its answer is -H. And which flag allow you to retrieve everything? -A for retrieve everything. Which flag allow you to select the database? -D. Which flag would you use to retrieve database table? Tables. Which flag allow you to retrieve tables column? Hyphen hyphen columns. Which flag allow you to dump all the database table entries? Its answer is SQL hyphen cell. And you know the current DB type is MySQL. Which flag allow you to enumerate only MySQL database? -dbms equal MySQL. And its answer is which flag allow you to dump all database table entry double hyphen dump hyphen all. It is taking some time, so let's start the our real machine to hack the SQL injection. So it is starting now. First we will check it is live or not. First I have to connect the OpenVPN, and also we have to download. We had download the OpenVPN key, and now we have to connect CD downloads and OpenVPN, where it's this is now this is connected to OpenVPN server, and I have to start a new terminal with sudo permission, because without sudo this have not any permission to do anything. Okay, then go SQL map challenge, and first we have to find the directory in name, which is very interesting. So we will use GoBuster for this. I had used this medium.txt password list and GoBuster. This is a IP, and I had run this, so it will track and give me which directory have. It can take takes some time, but most of the time it gives too fast. So wait until they found it. Okay, let's go on IP address, and this is not correct, and this give not any directory. It is taking so much time to we get blood directory is this is fantastic directory, and we have to paste in this blood and check. Now it is taking time to checking in, and here we are come to blood directory, and here we can see the login and register page. First click on the login. So we got a login page, so we have to type random, and I we have to capture this in Burpsuit intercept in Burpsuit. So use Burpsuit intercepting. Open this, and it it can take some time because it is Burpsuit professional. So it is running. Okay, this window we have to close and go to proxy and HTTP history. Then we have to type random anything, and intercept this request into burp suite. So now we will see that what request we get. This auth.php request we get, and here's are the our what we type, and we are first save it into a txt file. Okay, this request to save in a txt file abs.txt. Okay, it is saved, and now I don't need to pursuit, so I had closed it. So I want to close also in this because I don't want this. Don't And we have to run now SQL map. SQL map -r avs.txt and double hyphen current hyphen user to current user, and y, and y, and this is also no, and remaining no. And here are the result of this current user, and post parameter is injectable. Union character, yes, and we username is vulnerable, yes, and we got the us- username root at the red localhost. The username is root, so we will copy it and paste into the try hack me question answer. So copy the root only and paste. I paste in here and correct is this. Now I have to find only a flag, which for what we have to run sql map hyphen r apps.txt hyphen dbs and yes, yes, and we get available database blood information schema mysql performance schema sys test, and we we want blood hyphen d blood and double hyphen tables. We want to achieve tables, so yes, yes, all of these, yes, and we found blood db flag and users table, and we have to go now flag. So sql map hyphen r apps.txt hyphen d blood hyphen t flag and double hyphen columns. We have to do yes everything, and these get types of column, and now we want to get flag hyphen t flag and double hyphen dump. It will show you all everything what is in this, and we get the flag. We will copy it and paste into the try hack me lab.